Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a deep clean of our master bathroom and our master bedroom that completely did not go as planned. You'll want to stay tuned to see the struggles that I had in this bathroom and bedroom. It normally would take me, 15-20 minutes to clean this bathroom, but with the project and cleaning, I was cleaning this room for probably an hour and a half. I don't know what happened, but the stars were not aligned for me this day, and that's just how it goes sometimes. It just feels like nothing is working right, everything is breaking, and you just want to give up. But I said, no way, Jose, I've got to get this done, and pushed on through. I even chipped the wall a little bit, as you can see, that I'll just have to patch up later. And it was just like that little piece happened the entire time I was cleaning this bathroom. One thing after another, something broke, something happened, it's taking too long. It's just one of those days. Now I'm tired, and that's the first thing I've done. So, at least it's in there. The problem with this, so this is the old one. You see all the rust and stuff on it. But the problem with it is that, I'll show you, look at that, and that's so gross. This lever is broken, so you couldn't change the direction of the airflow, and it flows so hard and down on your face in here that it gets like so hot in here. So, and we've tried to, my guess is that it's painted on there all throughout the house. They painted over all of the vent covers as well as all of the electrical outlets. So that's fun. But anywho, it's finally replaced. It matches the, I don't know if you guys can see, the light fixture, and I just have that one little tiny spot to touch up. All right, let's get moving. So I wanted to take a minute and just kind of give you guys a life update. I know it's been a little bit since I posted any videos or cleaning inspiration or decorating, and I'm so sorry for that. Life just kind of got out of control for the last few weeks, and I've been trying my hardest to give myself grace, and I am so thankful that you guys can also do the same for me. Just life in general. Lots of family things going on, things with work. But I'm slowly starting to see it kind of get back to normal. So I will have some exciting news at the end of this video, so you'll definitely want to make sure that you stay until the end to hear the new news that I have to share. So now that I'm cleaning the windows, this was the second part of cleaning this bathroom that took way too long. I have no idea how this happened or what I did. I have cleaned these windows plenty of times with no issues, but for some reason, this time they didn't get back on track right. You could see me saying, what in the heck? It wouldn't open, it wouldn't close. I finally got it stuck all the way open, and I left it that way for a good hour or so I could just give myself a mental break from trying to figure out what was going on with the window. And of course, it was like the day that it was less than 20 degrees outside, so my whole bedroom and bathroom were freezing, but I needed that little bit of space because when I came back, I was able to figure it out. It probably took me a minute or so after I gave myself the break to figure out what was going on, but in that moment when I was done cleaning, I wanted it to work so badly. I just was messing with it more than I should. I don't know if that ever happens to you where it's just like, okay, I just need to step away for just a few minutes, collect my mental state, and I'll try again in a little bit. But that totally worked this time. And yeah, I have no idea to this day. I don't know what happened to the window. It just like, it went off track, but it was still in line. I have no idea. So anyways, yeah, it works now, and the window is closed now. And now I'm gonna go ahead and clean the sink, and I got this new stuff from the store. I think I got it from Target, and it was the liquid form of that powder that usually comes in a powder that you can use on certain pots and pans in your kitchen and things like that. So I figured it would work really well for the sink in the bathroom, and it did. I really recommend picking up some of that if you can. It's such a great, easier way to clean than a powder. I feel like the powder gets everywhere, and it doesn't, I don't know, it just doesn't work as well in my opinion. So I would definitely recommend getting that. Now that the bathroom is officially cleaned, we're gonna move on into the bedroom for disaster number 3.
It's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream. Really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold.
So I'm pretty sure this is ruined. That's all cranberry juice that I spilled. And all of that cleaning stuff you saw in the bathroom was because it dripped all the way down here, into here, and all over the floor. Luckily, the carpet has a shield on it, so it all came up pretty nicely. But my poor little end table is pretty ruined at this point. We wanted to get new ones anyways because there are some just chips and everything on them. But I guess now this is kind of forcing our hand.
My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later. But you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit.
I just don't want to fold laundry sometimes. It's so time consuming.
I know, but that's the thing is it's not.
These are dirty, right?
All of that's dirty. I gotta empty this laundry basket.
It is.
No, it's not.
That's stupid.
It's, yeah.
We'll just fold it so it doesn't get wrinkled.
There's not a lot in here. Just your socks and stuff.
I've been procrastinating for no reason.
One day, I want to bring the laundry
I want
up
that
here.
in the other room.
Yeah.
Which means we'll have to stop at child 2.
No.
Yeah.
Why?
One room for Sophia, one for the baby.
If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me.
So as I'm finishing folding the laundry, I wanted to share with you guys some exciting news. I will be going to a regular schedule for video uploads. Finally, I have figured out the scheduling. I will be uploading 2 videos a week on Wednesdays and Sundays. So you can count on one video being more geared towards cleaning motivation and inspiration, and then the second video will be more towards decorating and organizing your home. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and make sure, if you aren't already, to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss those videos. But rest assured, if you do, you can count on my uploads every Wednesday and Sunday. Again, my name is Sydney, and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse, so I'm really happy that you stopped by my channel. I'd love for you to become part of the Farmhouse family, so make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye!
Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this moment to end.